Frogs possess one of the most captivating life cycles found throughout the animal kingdom. Their incredible journey from a tiny, delicate egg to a fully grown adult is a tale of complete transformation. This remarkable biological process is known as metamorphosis, a word meaning change of form. It typically commences in the vibrant season of spring, when the weather becomes noticeably warmer. Ponds and lakes, once dormant, eagerly come back to life, teeming with new activity. Spring offers the perfect conditions for frogs to reproduce, ensuring their survival. There is an abundance of water, lush new plants, and plenty of food sources available. The very beginning of a frog's life cycle unfolds as a small gelatinous egg. Female frogs meticulously lay hundreds, and sometimes even thousands, of these soft, jelly-like eggs in the water. These eggs do not float individually. Instead, they cluster together in large masses, called frog spawn. The protective jelly surrounding the eggs safeguards the developing embryos nestled inside. After several days pass, the exact timing depending on the water's temperature, something truly amazing begins to happen. Within each minuscule egg, a baby frog, still in its earliest form, slowly starts to take shape. Before long, these eggs hatch, releasing tiny creatures known as tadpoles into the water. Tadpoles, at this initial stage, bear absolutely no resemblance to the adult frogs they will become. They are characterized by their distinct round bodies, long, slender tails, and a complete absence of legs. During this aquatic stage, tadpoles live entirely underwater, breathing efficiently with gills, much like fish. Their diet consists primarily of algae and other minuscule plant material found floating in the water. Throughout this crucial stage, tadpoles experience rapid growth, increasing significantly in size. Their small bodies are diligently preparing for one of nature's most extraordinary and complex transformations. After a few weeks have elapsed, the tadpole's body visibly begins its dramatic change. This pivotal period marks the onset of metamorphosis, a series of profound physical alterations. First, small, rudimentary back legs slowly start to emerge and grow from its body. Soon after, the front legs also make their appearance, completing the initial limb development. Concurrently, a fascinating internal change occurs. Their gills gradually disappear. In their place, functional lungs begin to develop, signaling a shift towards terrestrial life. This vital development enables the young frog to transition from water breathing to air breathing. One of the most surprising and efficient changes involves the tadpole's long tail. The tail does not simply fall off or detach. Rather, it is absorbed back into the frog's body. This reabsorption provides valuable energy and nutrients, fueling the frog's continued growth. Once the tail has shrunk to a very small stub, the tadpole is now officially called a froglet. A froglet presents as a miniature frog, still retaining a tiny visible tail stub. At this stage, it gains the ability to leave the water and cautiously begin exploring the surrounding land. However, it must remain close to sources of moisture, as its delicate skin needs to stay wet. Interestingly, frogs do not drink water in the conventional way, using their mouths. Instead, they possess a unique capability to absorb water directly through their permeable skin. Finally, after further growth and development, the froglet fully matures into an adult frog. Adult frogs are equipped with powerful back legs, perfectly adapted for impressive jumping and swimming. They now breathe entirely with their developed lungs and use sticky tongues to catch insects. In stark contrast to their herbivorous tadpole stage, adult frogs are true carnivores. Their diet includes a variety of prey: insects, worms, spiders, and occasionally even small fish. Frogs play a crucial and often underestimated role within their ecosystems. They help control insect populations, acting as natural pest controllers in their habitats. Furthermore, frogs serve as a vital food source for numerous other animals, including birds, snakes, and larger predators. Most frogs in the wild live for several years, contributing to the biodiversity around them. However, many young frogs unfortunately do not survive long enough to reach full adulthood. They face constant dangers from predators, environmental pollution, and the ongoing loss of their natural habitats. Despite these challenges, when environmental conditions are favorable, the cycle continues. Adult frogs faithfully return every spring to the very same ponds where they were born. There, they will reproduce, ensuring the continuation of their species and the cycle of life once again. From a minuscule jelly-covered egg to a vibrant hopping adult, the frog's life is a profound example. It showcases the incredible power of growth, adaptation, and complete transformation in nature. This journey beautifully illustrates how nature orchestrates changes step by step. It transforms a creature that initially resembles a fish into an animal capable of leaping across land. The next time you find yourself outdoors and hear the distinctive croaking of frogs in the spring, take a moment to pause and truly listen to their ancient chorus. Remember that their calls are not just sounds, but a testament to life's resilience. You are witnessing the living, breathing evidence of an ongoing miracle. You are listening to the very beginning of an amazing, timeless story. It's a story that has unfolded for millions of years, right before our eyes.